Stud bolt with Tommy bar hole nut fluorocarbon coated. Easy installation, corrosion resistance, and high performance. Hello. Let's explore why the stud bolt with Tommy bar hole nut fluorocarbon is an essential component in the oil and gas industry. Stud bolt with Tommy bar hole nut fluorocarbon coated is a premium solution for applications in extreme environments. It is precision engineered to withstand tough conditions with maximum reliability. Key features: high-level anti-corrosion. Fluorocarbon coating provides maximum protection against rust, even in marine environments. High temperature resistance. Ideal for applications with extreme temperature fluctuations. Ease of installation. The Tommy bar hole design makes the installation process easier, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Superior durability. Tested for long service life with consistent performance. In the oil and gas industry, the stud bolt with Tommy bar hole nut fluorocarbon plays a vital role in maintaining structural integrity and operational reliability, making it a trusted choice for engineers and technicians. Don't forget to visit our website bbn.co.id for more information. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.